I'm Elvis Ogoda, Java South Africa, multi-unit barista. Today just opened our Two Rivers branch in conjunction with Sheffield. Sheffield Africa, it's been a great partnership. They've given us a great express platform. They fitted our shop. They've also provided some really nice machines. We have the blender, which is theirs, a coffee maker, which is really high class. We also have basically all the fridges, the cold storage. They have quite some good machines, and also when you couple it up with their prompt response when you have an issue with the machines, it's really a good team. Really appreciate doing the business with them.
Hi, and welcome to Two Rivers Java. My name is Francis Odongo. I'm the multi-unit manager for this region. I would like to take this time first to welcome all customers to our new baby, the Two Rivers Mall Java. And also, I'd also like to take this time to say a big thank you to the Sheffield team for providing us with equipment for opening this unit and other units in this region as well. That being the 360 Roslyn, the Java Roslyn, and the ABC Java and 360 units. It's been a great honor working with the Sheffield team. As a company, we've come to trust their equipment. Thank you so much.